All right, so I've got an appointment tomorrow at noon, but this is like the most beautiful day that we've had so far this year. So I'm going to try to go bikepacking with the little time that I have. I haven't really ridden this bike yet this season because it's been nothing but rain. So I'm gonna head down to the bike shop real quick and I'm just gonna run through it, make sure everything's running as good as it can. I have successfully convinced Ethan to come along, so this is no longer a solo journey. He's gonna get off work around 5, quickly pack up his bike, and we're gonna head out. Probably my favorite part about living where I live is I can literally leave from my house and go on a bikepacking trip in the woods. It's pretty sick. Look who we have here.
Oh, Princess.
Oh
no, that's not gonna be in the video.
Going up there. Finally off after Ethan got off work. Got all cloudy though. So pretty. Sir.
Uh-huh.
It's dark back here.
I know. That's spooky.
Scary combo. The sun set on us very quickly.
A little soon.
Yeah, but we just reached our first little downhill. So finally pulled out the headlamps. We're probably 3/4 of the way, maybe 2/3.
Maybe 6/7.
6/7, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty sure. Ew.
Close.
Now we're gonna make a fire and give Ethan his little camp surprise. Ooh!
Scary.
Make some dinner. Okay?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Starts a fire. Pulls out jet blowers.
Beer. Beer review.
Okay. Good night.
Night and day I've been dreaming of and planning my upcoming trip to hike 300 miles across northern Sweden. I've never long distance hiked in another country before, so I've been trying to figure out how I'm going to stay connected the entire time without insane roaming fees or dealing with the hassle of finding a SIM card. That's why I'm excited to have Saily as today's sponsor. Saily is an eSIM app that lets you set up your cellular data on your phone before you even leave for your trip. So instead of landing in another country and having to figure everything out in the airport, you can have service basically the moment you arrive. That's really huge and saves a lot of time when you're trying to get maps, book trains or flights, checking weather, or even just letting people know that you made it alive. It works in over 200 destinations and it just takes a few minutes to set up in their mobile app. It's super easy. Most of my adventures end up being pretty run and gun and fast paced, so when I'm able to set up something this easily and save that much time, it just makes everything a lot less stressful. Right now you can get 15% off Saily data plans using my code Titus, or you can just go to saily.com/Titus. Or to make things easy, scan the QR code. All the details are in the description below, and huge thank you for Saily for sponsoring today's video. Go check them out. I found 2 different ticks on me while I was laying in bed last night. I woke up a couple times itching. I could feel them crawling on my neck. No bueno. What's she doing?
Sorry, sir, no autographs.
How did you sleep?
Not bad.
No? It's on the menu.
Coffee shoot.
Coffee shoot.
Not bad.
Oh yeah. I absolutely love to plan and to go on grand multi-month long adventures, but honestly, these short spontaneous trips are just as valuable to me. They fill the gaps and remind me that there is always an adventure to be had, even when it feels like there just isn't any time. Sometimes you just need to make it happen. I feel pretty lucky to have people in my life that are willing to get up and go, even just from a text message. Well,
Yep. Like, comment, subscribe, donate. Funds.